Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this waterproof case. I've already been using this for over 3 months now, and this is a great waterproof case to have if you want to use your phone in the pool, in the beach, or anywhere that's wet, and if you want to keep it protected. So this is how the case looks. So it has a screen protector on the front. You can see the sides made of a durable plastic. On the back, you can see that it has a holder so you can hold it with your fingers. On the bottom, you have a slot for your charger, and it even has an extra wide viewing angle for your camera. An extra wide viewing. It brings this lanyard also, so you can put this around your neck and even hold on to it. So this is a universal phone case. This can hold a phone up to 6.9 inches, and this is waterproof for 1 hour up to 15 meters. And this is shockproof, and it protects your phone. So let me show you how easy it is to install a phone in here. So you're gonna use the provided tool to open it up. So you're gonna put this inside here, click it like that, do it on the other side. So once you have it open, you're gonna take your phone, put it like so, and then you're gonna attach these suctions to the back of your phone just to keep it nice and tight on there. So you're gonna pop it in place once you hear the clicking. Okay. And then you're gonna open up the charging compartment and then pull this out just to attach the suction even better. So you can see on the back, it fits my camera perfectly. So if the camera was on this side, it would work perfectly also. Then you close your charger port. There's no buttons on the side right here. So you gotta make sure that your phone is able to turn on by touching the screen. So you can see how responsive the screen is, and it works very well. If you want to get your camera, everything works perfectly with the screen. You can see how it works in the water, and even when I submerge it, the phone is protected. So you don't have to worry about the phone being damaged if it gets underwater. So it works very well. If you're interested in buying one of these, I'm going to post a link in the description, and you can buy this from Amazon.com. Overall, this is a great universal waterproof case. I like how this keeps my phone dry and safe whenever I'm at the beach or the pool. I also like how easy it is to install, and I like the shockproof features in that I'm able to bring this on the water for an hour up to 15 millimeters. And also like how it has this holder right here so I can hold the phone, and it comes with this lanyard. And also like how it has the opening for the charger port.